Hello MPPNs. Today we will study science. The first chapter of class 4th science textbook is Things Essential for Life. Let us move ahead. In this video, we are going to study part 1 of this chapter. Let us see the contents. These are the topics which we are going to deal in this chapter. And in this part, we are going to study the highlighted topics that are air, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Let's move on. Firstly, let me introduce this chapter to you. All plants and animals have life. There are 8 things essential for life. What are they? First one, oxygen. We need oxygen to live. We need carbon dioxide to live. Nitrogen, water, heat, light, minerals and air. Without these 8 things, we can't live or there is no life for us. Let us move on to the first main topic of this chapter. What is that? That is air. Air. The earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air. Our earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air. It is 800 to 1000 kilometers thick. What is the thickness of air? It is 800 to 1000 kilometers thick. The atmosphere may be called a part of the earth. Why? Because as the earth, the atmosphere also moves with it. The atmosphere is held around the earth by gravity. The atmosphere is held around the earth by the force of gravity. Atmosphere prevents some harmful rays of the sun from reaching the earth. What are the harmful rays called? They are ultraviolet rays that are very much harmful for living beings. So, to protect us, atmosphere is there around the earth. During the night, it does not allow the heat of the earth to escape easily. That is why nights are not too cold. If the atmosphere allowed to escape the heat from the sun, then what will happen? Our nights will be too cold. Air is a mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapors. If anybody asks you, what do you mean by air? Then what will you tell? You will answer that air is a mixture of gases that include oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapors. Let us move ahead. The second main topic of this chapter is oxygen. Oxygen. All living beings need oxygen and take it when they breathe air. When we respire, then we take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Plants breathe through the pores in their leaves. Plants also respire. What is the respiratory organ in plants? It is the pores. That pores are known as stomata. I think it is a new topic for you. Stomata is a tiny opening in the leaves which is a site for the exchange of gases. Okay. Animals breathe through lungs, gills or tiny holes in their bodies. Animals such as mammals, and mammals include we people, human beings, breathe through lungs. Fish or all the aquatic organisms breathe through gills, and many insects breathe through the tiny holes in their bodies. Aquatic animals survive using oxygen that is dissolved in water. Do you know that a fish takes in water, then absorbs the oxygen present in the water, then it releases carbon dioxide into the water. That carbon dioxide is used up by the aquatic plants. So hence we can say that aquatic organisms or aquatic animals survive using oxygen that is dissolved in water. Oxygen is needed to break down food to give energy. What is the use of oxygen in our body? Oxygen is needed to break down food to give energy. Without energy, we can do nothing. We can't eat, we can't stand, we can't walk, and we can't run. See, here is a picture of sea diver. A diver carry oxygen cylinders when they go deep into the sea because there is no air in the sea. You can see here the person is holding a pipe and a cylinder. That cylinder is filled with oxygen. Next main topic of this chapter is nitrogen. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is useful for plant growth. Some chemicals containing nitrogen like urea are used as fertilizers. Some chemical substances containing nitrogen like urea are used as fertilizers. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers are chemical substances that are mixed with the soil to improve the fertility of the soil. Nitrogen is an essential part of all bodybuilding foods. What do you mean by bodybuilding foods? Yes, they are proteins. Can you give me some examples of protein? The examples are meat, egg, fish, and so on. Animals need protein and they get it from the plants and other animals. See, here is a picture of different medicines. These medicines are all composed of nitrogen. I think it is a new fact for you. Medicines are made up of nitrogen gas. The next important topic of this chapter is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced by burning carbon in wood, coal, petrol, LPG, etc. How is carbon dioxide produced? They are produced by burning carbon in wood, coal, petrol, LPG, etc. Do you know the formula of carbon dioxide? It is CO2. Carbon dioxide is given out during breathing. When we breathe, we take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Plants use this gas and water to produce carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight. Plants prepare their food using carbon dioxide and water. What is the food made by them called? It is known as glucose, and glucose is also known as carbohydrates. See, here is a picture of a girl exhaling carbon dioxide. So, we have come to the end of this part. In this part, we have studied the highlighted topics. They are air, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Rest topics we will study in our next part. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Bye.